Where's the ruler?
I have to find it.
I need a big boy ruler.
Tristen, what were you trying to do or repair?
Yeah, where's your repair?
Can you show me?
Okay, where's your big boy's ruler? You had it a minute ago. Where is it? Where was your big boy's ruler? Okay.
Well, can you show Daddy what you're trying to repair?
Yeah, let's see what you're trying to repair under the bed.
I'm trying to get in.
Can you show me? Where is it?
Yeah.
I'm repairing.
Oh, is there something loose? What is loose? Do you need a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Oh, oops. Oh no, a screw is loose under the bed.
You got it out?
Well, it's been loose.
So what do we need to do?
Repair it.
And you got a screwdriver?
It's been loose for months ago.
Oh,
That's why I need to take it out.
okay.
That's why it's broken.
And we have to put it back in?
So, no, Daddy.
So what do you need?
I need some tape.
I know, I've been looking for the tape. Where's the tape, Daddy? Where's the big roll of tape?
We'll have to find it.
Yeah. And you got a big boy screwdriver?